Game 2 is going to be an interesting one. I know that St. Louis was not happy with Game 1. The Avalanche were. But Colorado also had some holes in their game that they want to fix here for Game number 2. So the postseason continues, and we can't wait. Zone, it's captain on captain, O'Reilly versus Landeskog, and Landeskog obliterates Ryan O'Reilly into the boards. Talk about setting the tone. Graves lets a shot go. Score! Tipped in front, but Ryan Graves with a blast from the point. 35 seconds into the first period. It's the first shot, and it's the first goal.
Rick to the near side, McKinnon into the circle, dancing and shooting. He scores! Nathan McKinnon rips it short side.
In the circle, slots it for Rantanen. Now for Nathan McKinnon, looking for a deflection. He got it! And the Avalanche are up by a field goal. It's 3-0.
Turn it over right to Krug. Krug walking in, fakes the shot. Now shoots it and hit Clifford. Shot by Blade, he scores!
I think we kept our cool pretty good. We are a confident team right now, so I was confident that we were able to defend the lead to the end, and that's what we were able to do. But obviously not our best hockey, especially the second half of the game. So we have to get better.
Over for Nathan McKinnon, lets it go. He scored! What a snipe from Mars, and it went in.
The guys found a way to dig in and get the job done after going through the 5-minute major. Nate got the guys together on the bench, had a little chat, so did Landy, and off we went to answer the bell and get us a couple big goals for us.
Flopped ahead, racing forward is Mikko. Steals it up to McKinnon. He'll race in and shoots. Nathan McKinnon has the hat trick.
The Avalanche have fought through and won Game 2. And they will head to St. Louis up 2-0.
It wasn't pretty. And sometimes in the playoffs you gotta win when you don't have the best game. We need to be a lot better than that, boys. We know that, especially second and third. Penalty kill, Groovy, great job, but this goes to the dog. Yeah, just like Landy said, boys, we got better. Still up 2-0. Anyways, we know we're gonna do a good win, boys. Yeah. Hey!
How beneficial do you believe it's been to jump on St. Louis, real early first period in these opening 2 games?
I think the start's always important, even more so come playoff time. You hear me talk about it quite often. Catch-up hockey is often losing hockey, and getting out to that early start is of key importance for any team, I believe. Big Lion's been leading us off and leading the charge there, and the rest of the team's following suit. Put us in a position to be able to keep playing our game throughout the 60 minutes and try and close these games out.
What kind of happened there at the end where Binnington, I guess, came down the ice and seemed to be trying to go after you?
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't really see him. Ref was holding me back, so I don't know. Maybe just a friendly shoving match there with Clifford, Nemo, and me, and then by the time I looked up, Binnington was coming down. So if he feels the need to do that stuff and fake punch guys, then so be it. I worry about my game. I worry about stopping the pucks, and then worry about winning the next one. So that's all I can say to that.
What are the obstacles, if any at all, you'll need to consider with the Blues returning home?
It's a tough rink to play in. I mean, they have their own fans. It's always an advantage. You're comfortable in your own arena and you're in your own home and stuff like that. So it's definitely tougher to win in other arenas, but at the same time, it's the same game, same game plan. It's more the same, and if we believe that if we play our game and play the same way and we keep taking it to them, that we'll have success there as well.
Nothing changes for us. Our goal is to play a complete 60 minutes. We're going to see St. Louis's best game to date, and we have to be prepared for that, and we're going to have to be a lot better than we were in Game 2.
tried to sweep it away. 15 seconds to go in the period. Now Kyrou down low. What a save by Grubauer! Oh my goodness gracious! 1 and 2 and 3, and then everyone pushing everyone after the fact.
Great start. Dissipated a little bit as the period went on. Ozone play, win a battle, get moving. East, west, low to high. Get them spread out right away and let's find some room to move, right? Let's go win a period.
Graves is out of the penalty box. Can he beat Binnington? He can. He scores! Happy birthday, Ryan Graves! Near side circle in the Tushkin backdoor had his stick lifted. Newhook scores! First career goal for Alex Newhook.
Comp threw it off the pad, popped out to me in the slot, and I saw a lot of net, hoping I could put it in, and I know a big point in the game.
Jost holding, shooting, save made Binnington, rebound, score! Tyson Jost!
Our commitment in the D zone has been great. Problem is, our forechecking up ice. We win those battles, we'll start cranking this thing wide open. All right, let's go to work.
And now Burakovsky skates ahead. Pass in front. Shot is there. He scores! Lead the puck. Take the cannoli. The Avalanche are up 3 games to none. They win game 3 by a final score of 5-1.
So, we lean on him time and time again, and he bails us out when we have mistakes, so.
That's enough, Lauren. We have to go now.
I guess that's enough.
Great win, boys. We're gonna go to gravy. Let's wrap this up, boys.
Couple notes that stand out to me in last game. Some real positive stuff in a lot of areas. Love Val's position, okay? I want him to be able to strike on either side of the net as soon as this thing happens. We're focusing on him right now, okay? Just make sure you don't get caught to the outside. So doing it right on the defensive side led to pretty much all of our chances as you see, okay? We establish position, depth, and width, okay? Fight there. Fight off him, get inside ice, puck goes there, it's loose. So now Shen's hooking him, penalty power play, right? Just keep doing that work, boys. I don't think they can stay with you. Numbers all over the puck. We're a pack of 5, D zone, neutral zone doing the job above the outlets, okay? And ozone play, all right?
Today, the Avs can do something they've only done twice before in franchise history. That is complete a sweep in the Stanley Cup playoffs. Drops it from McKinnon to the high slot. Now Burakovsky snipes and a save by Binnington.
Robert Thomas, pass backdoor, Bozak, save made by Grubauer. Oh my goodness.
That's going to do it for period number 1 in St. Louis.
Good job on our checking and get in front of everyone. Now second period, right, wear him down in there, get off the ice, fresh bodies on. Let's really take it to him and get our possession game going in the second here, all right?
Scramble, and O'Reilly is there to rip it ahead. A breakaway for Tarasenko. He was cherry-picking, shoots and scores.
Makar across the blue line. Keeps it himself, makes Shen go down to the ice. Makar, solid shot, he scores! Leave the puck, take the cannoli! Rantanen, one hand to deep, spins away, looking for help. Rantanen, eye in the zone, Sam Girard lets it go, tip, score! Oh, captain, my captain!
Okay, we made one mistake where the guy slips in behind us. Now, that's what they're gonna try to start to do, right? They can't get through us, so they're gonna cheat and try to push us out of the zone. They're gonna swing in, try to slip back out behind us. So D, okay, always looking over your shoulder to make sure if they're leaving, we're leaving with them. Stay committed in the D zone, right? Short, hard shifts, let's go it a work for another one.
And here comes the high-speed pursuit. He's got Mikko with him. Off to Rantanen and score! Mikko Rantanen able to rip it past Bennington. The Avs have taken a 3-1 lead in the third period.
3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. It's a sweep of St. Louis. The Avs beat the Blues for the 4th straight game, and Colorado for the 3rd year in a row will move on to round number 2 in the Stanley Cup playoffs.
All right, boys. Way to finish it off. Good effort tonight. This goes to Sauter for getting us going tonight.
Yeah!
Come on! Come on! Hot stick! Hot stick!
Yeah, I have a hot streak right now. I like to score goals.
That's a hell of a series, boys. Hey, it's only going to get harder. Let's get some rest and ready to go.